if we take division of two fractions, AB divided by CD, then rule is, this is AB multiplied by DC. And now we know that from previously, or if you have looked at multiplication of two fractions, then we know that this we can write as A times D, B times C. So okay, so how can you motivate this part, that this is equal to this? If we can motivate this, then we also have motivated this part, if we already know that multiplication of two fractions is this formula. So let's take an example. 2/3 divided by 4/5. This we can see as the size comparison or ratio between two fractions. The ratio between 2/3 and 4/5. And that's illustrated in this figure here. Here we have 2/3, the size in relation to 4/5. So this is a ratio between these two. So this is a size comparison. We see that the size comparison between these two is the same as these two, because it's the same height of these figures. And how have we gotten these figures? Yeah, this figure are gotten by divided each third into 5. So we have 2/3 and each third into 5. So we see that we have 2 times 5. So we have 10 of these yellow. How many purple do we have? Yeah, each fifth here we have divided up into 3. So we have 4/5. So this 4 times 3. So purple we have 4 times 3. So the size comparison between these two, or ratio between these two, is this 10, or 2 times 5, divided by these, 12, or 4 times 3. So this must be the same ratio. And this we see here, this is a concrete example of this part here, where A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 5. We see here as A is 2, D is 5, B is 4, and C is 3. And of course we could have chosen other numbers. These were just arbitrarily chosen numbers. So this motivates this part of the formula. And if, like I said, if I already have shown this part, then we will also have motivated this part. And that's the formula for division of two fractions.